Good morning. I'm Kiran, student of BSc Chemistry Honours final year. Unit is Fats, Oil and Detergents. Introduction. Oil and fat are widely distributed in nature both in animal and plant kingdom. In animal, they are present under the skin and in muscles, but in plants, they are mainly found in seeds. Some important examples of fats are butter, tallow, beef, etc. While groundnut oil, coconut seed oil, olive oil, palm oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, soybean oil, linseed oil, sesame oil are important examples of vegetable oil. Fats and oils are one of the three major constituents of food, the other two being carbohydrates and proteins. In fact, fats and oil as energy reservoir for animals. In human being, only a few hundred grams of glycogen carbohydrates can store in which can bravely supply the body's energy need for about 12 to 18 hours. In contrast, large amount of fats 12 kg for an average person weighing 70 kg can be stored which can supply the body's energy need for about 8 weeks. Beside this, oils and fat serves as raw material for a number of industries such as soap, paints, varnishes and vanaspati ghee, etc. Natural fats. The fats obtained from animal sources such as butter from milk of cows and buffaloes, yard from hogs and tallow from sheep, goats, etc. are called natural fats. This name is simply given to differentiate these fats from those fats which are obtained by hydrogenation of oil. Now, edible and non-edible oils. Oils such as ground oil, sunflower oil, soybean oil, rapeseed or mustard oil, olive oil, sesame oil, which are used for cooking purpose, are called edible oil. Which while oils such as cotton seed oil, linseed oil, castor seed oil, and moa oil, which are used in soap, paints, varnishes, and lacquer industries, are called non-edible oil or industrial oil. On the basis of iodine value, oil have been classified as drying, semi-drying or non-drying oils as discussed in section 9.7. Industrial oil may include essential oil or mineral oil. Essential oils such as rose oil, jasmine oil, lavender oil, peppermint oil are volatile oils isolated from plants. Essential oil may be hydrocarbons, alcohols, aldehyde, ketones, ester, but not ester of glycerol. For example, peppermint perfumes, cosmetics, and pharmaceuticals products. On the other hand, mineral oil such as paraffin oil is a mixture of saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon and not ester or triglycerides. They can't be sphonified. They are called oils simply because of their physical appearance. They are non-edible and are mainly used as fuels. Triglyceride composition of oils and fats. State above, fats and oil are triester of glycerol with higher aliphatic monocarboxylic acid fatty acid. In other words, they are triacyl glycerol and are commonly known as glycerides. The fats and oil may be represented by general formula triacyl glycerol or triglycerides, where R dash and R double dash may be same or different alkyl groups. Fatty acid. With only few exceptions, all monocarboxylic acid isolated from fats and oils are straight chain compound containing 3 to 18 carbon atom. Further, with the exception of only C3 and C5 acids, all other acids found in fats and oil contain even number of carbon atoms. The chief saturated fatty acids present in oil and fat are lauric acid, formula is C11H23COOH, myricetic acid C13H27COOH, palmitic acid C15H31COOH, and citric acid C17H35COOH. Besides saturated fatty acid, unsaturated fatty acid containing one or more double bond in cis orientation may also be present in oils and fats. The chief unsaturated fatty acids present in oils and fats are oleic acid, formula is C17H33COOH. The structure of oleic acid and the linoleic acid, formula is C17H31COOH. Classification of glyceride. The three fatty acids in glyceride may be same or different. Therefore, glycerides are classified as simple or mixed glyceride accordingly as they have the same or different acid residues. For example, simple glyceride is tripalmitin or glyceryl tripalmitate. Mixed glycerides are further classified into saturated and unsaturated glyceride according as they contain saturated fatty acid residues or unsaturated fatty acid residues. For example, saturated triglyceride, tristyrene and triolene is the example of unsaturated triglyceride. Both simple and mixed glyceride are found in nature, oil and fats. In fact, oils and fats are complex mixture of mixed glyceride along with small amount of simple glyceride. Chemical difference between oils and fats. The main difference between oils and fats is the proportion of saturated and unsaturated glyceride. Triglyceride with higher proportion of saturated acid residue such as palmitic acid, citric acid are solid at ordinary temperature 298 Kelvin and are called fats, while those with higher proportion of unsaturated acid residue such as oleic acid, linoleic acid are liquid at ordinary temperature and are called oils. Melting point of glycerides. At stated above, fatty acids have one or more double bonds having less stable cis stereochemistry. For example, oleic acid has one cis double bond at C9, linoleic acid has two double bonds at C9 and C12, while linoleic acid has three cis double bonds at C9, C12 and C15 position. These cis double bonds have virtual biological importance. In solid states, the molecule of saturated fatty acid fit closely in crystal lattice due to their zigzag tetrahedral structure. On the other hand, Cis unsaturated fatty acids have a bent at double bond, hence do not fit closely, thereby lowering their melting point. Thank you. Have a nice day.